Why is this balloon following me?
That guy over there is looking at you like you're stupid.
Oh my god, someone please help me. I don't know why this balloon's following me. Can you please help me? Why is this balloon following me?
Where are you going? What? Turn it off.